Okay, so today we're going to cover the rational zero theorem. If you didn't know, it's using the factors of the constant term and factors of the leading coefficient to find a factor that fits. It's when whole numbers aren't giving you a remainder equal of 0, so you have to look for fractions that could equal the remainder of 0. A constant term is a number or a term that does not include a variable, so it's the last term within your polynomial. The leading coefficient is the number or constant by which a variable is multiplied, so it's the first term in your polynomial. When you're looking for factors of a polynomial and you are struggling to get a remainder of 0, then you might have to use the rational zero theorem to find a factor. It takes factors of the constant term over factors of the leading coefficient. As you can see here, 32x to the power of 3 is the leading coefficient, and plus 8 is the constant term. So we took factors of both to find the factors of this polynomial that equals 0. Solve 24x to the power of 3 minus 14x to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. We have the leading coefficient, and the constant term. It's factors of the constant term over factors of the leading coefficient, and we have them all labeled down here. We use fractions to find factors instead of whole numbers. So we used 1 over 2, and 2x minus 1 is a factor because the remainder is 0. And then we have our x equals there for solving the polynomials. again, we have the factors of the constant term and factors of the leading coefficient, and we have them all labeled out right here. So 3x minus 1 is a factor as well. You can decide which one you want to use. X times x is 3x squared, 3x minus negative 6x, negative 7x, that's our middle term, and then negative 1 times negative 2 is 2, and that's our last term. So x equals half, 1/3, 2. And there you go. We solved the polynomial using the rational zero theorem. And thank you very much for watching.